In this video, you are going to see how to select only number from a column in Microsoft Excel. Here in this column, you will see I have the merged cell, I have the text value, I have the number value, and here I have the merged cell. If I select the number by holding the control key, and if I have thousands of rows, then it will take a very long time. We are going to apply a very shortcut method to select only the number. Let us click on this column. Under the home menu, go to find and select, go to special and click on the constant and uncheck text, logical and errors. Then click on OK, and this is the magic. Here you will see only the numerical value has been selected. You can easily change the font color, you can easily change the fill color, or if you want you can copy by pressing Ctrl C, and you can go anywhere, click on right button and paste as a numerical value. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.